In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. We'll be having the official link from getadobe.com reader. So just select this. Here we are having the download option. Just select it and the download will be getting started. It is around 791 MB in size, so just be patient. And in case if you are having macOS 12 or below, you can simply click on this, and apart from that they are having this more download options. So if we select that, here we can choose the specific operating system of our choice and then download the reader also. So in case if you are having older versions of Mac, you can try using it, and they're also having for Windows also over here. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be having a .pkg file. Open it and we'll be getting the install Adobe Acrobat. Just click on continue. This is fine, and it says this software requires 2.36 GB of space. Make sure that you are having it. Continue, and if you want to change the location, you can by clicking it. I'm fine with it. Just click on install and just type your password, and the installation process will begin. Once the installation is complete, we'll be getting it is successful. Just click on close and you can simply click on move to bin. We'll be getting the Adobe Acrobat interface opened like this. If you want to make it as a default PDF application, you can click on yes, and through this you can use its features. And now let's suppose say you want to open a PDF with the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Right click on it and click on open with, and just select the Adobe Acrobat one and click on allow, and that's it. It will be getting opened over here. And another way to make it as a default viewer is, if you go inside their app, here we are having set as default. Select this and just click on use Acrobat. After setting it as to default, we'll be having the Adobe Acrobat logo, and if I directly open it, it will be getting opened in it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.